Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on the diagnostic trouble code P0716, which pertains to a performance issue related to the Vehicle Network Module VNM within the Honda Pilot manufactured from 2016 to 2022. This error indicates that there is a problem with how the VNM is functioning, and this can only be diagnosed through electrical assessments. The VNM plays a crucial role in facilitating communication and control within the vehicle's transmission system. It's essential to verify the DTC, as it can sometimes relate to other codes like P07BF and P07C0, indicating further electrical issues. The troubleshooting steps must be undertaken carefully, keeping in mind that this issue is rooted in electrical problems, not mechanical failures in the transmission. Knowing how to address this code effectively can help ensure the continued reliability and proper functioning of the Honda Pilot. The DTC P0716 indicates a VNM performance issue, which is primarily linked to the electrical functioning of the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM is vital for managing gear shifts and overall transmission performance, and it receives data from various sensors, including the VNM. This module is located within the vehicle's transmission area, specifically within the TCM sub-harness connectors. The error can be identified not only through P0716 code, but also through related diagnostic trouble codes such as P07BF and P07C0, which indicate specific electrical circuit faults. These related codes help pinpoint the underlying issues affecting the VNM's performance. Understanding the role of the VNM within this network is essential, as it affects multiple vehicle functions vital to safe and efficient driving. The P0716 error code can arise from various issues primarily associated with electrical circuits. Problems may include damaged or worn connections that disrupt communication between the VNM and the TCM. These faults might consist of broken wires, corrosion at terminals, or loose connections that result in an unreliable electrical signal. Additionally, a faulty sensor unit can lead to incorrect data being sent, triggering the performance fault. Intermittent faults can also occur, which means that the failure may not always be present, making it essential to perform careful diagnostic checks. Lastly, poor contact points, particularly at the TCM sub-harness connections, can lead to significant issues, emphasizing the importance of checking physical connections and wiring integrity. Symptoms associated with the P0716 code often include various transmission performance issues. Drivers may experience problems with gear shifting, including delays or unexpected gear changes, which can affect the overall drivability of the vehicle. The check engine light is likely to illuminate, specifically indicating that there is a communication or performance fault within the transmission system. These issues can also manifest as the vehicle having trouble maintaining consistent speeds, making driving experience less reliable. Additionally, unexpected behavior during transmission operation could occur, such as harsh shifts or slipping, which should be addressed immediately as they impact vehicle safety and performance. Recognizing these symptoms early can help address the driving concerns before they worsen. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0716 is to ensure the vehicle is in the on mode. This action prepares the system for diagnostic checks and allows the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to interface correctly with the vehicle's onboard computers. Once in this mode, clearing the DTC using the HDS is essential to reset any fault indications. After clearing, the vehicle should be driven for several minutes under the same conditions indicated by the freeze frame data. This is key to possibly recreating the conditions that triggered the code. After the drive, the HDS should be used to check for any confirmed or pending DTCs. This will indicate if the fault persists or if it was an intermittent issue that has cleared. Understanding whether the codes return is important for guiding the next steps in troubleshooting. For the second troubleshooting step, switch the vehicle to off-lock mode. This ensures safety while accessing the vehicle's electrical systems. Disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector, which are essential for accessing the wiring related to the VNM performance. Once the connectors are detached, continuity between designated test points must be checked individually. Specifically, continuity should be checked between the TCM subharness 26P connector number 23 and the TCM 58P connector number 31, as well as between number 24 and number 12. Establishing continuity verifies that there are no breaks in the NM and VCC2 wires at this stage of the electrical pathway. If continuity is present, this suggests that the wires are intact. If absent, it indicates an open circuit that requires further inspection and repair. The third troubleshooting step involves checking if there are any shorted wires in the NM and VCC2 lines. Following the same safety measures as earlier, ensure the vehicle is in off-lock mode and the relevant connectors are still disconnected. In this step, one needs to check for continuity between the TCM 58P connector number 12 and number 31 with body ground individually. Checking this will help identify if there's an unintended connection to the vehicle body, indicating a short circuit condition. If continuity is found, it confirms a short to ground scenario, necessitating repairs to the wiring involved. If no continuity is present, it indicates that the NM and VCC2 wires are likely functioning correctly, and attention should shift to the sensor unit for potential replacement. After addressing any faults found during the previous troubleshooting steps, a final repair verification process helps ensure everything is functioning correctly. Reconnect the various TCM connectors that were disconnected earlier during testing. It is crucial to ensure all terminals are secure and that no connections have been overlooked. Then, retest the vehicle operation under the same conditions that initially prompted the DTC. Monitoring for any recurrence of the code during this phase is essential. Ideally, there should be no presence of confirmed DTCs after performing the necessary repairs. This final check not only verifies the completeness of the repair, but also reassures the technician that the vehicle is safe and operates reliably, ensuring confidence for the driver. Preventive maintenance is vital for avoiding future occurrences of the P0716 code. Regular inspections of the vehicle's electrical system can help catch potential issues before they lead to significant faults. Technicians should routinely check electrical connections, ensuring that they are free from corrosion and are securely fastened. Additionally, maintaining the integrity of the sensor unit contributes to the reliability of the whole system. Ensuring that the wiring is in good condition and replacing any frayed or damaged sections before they lead to problems can greatly decrease the likelihood of reoccurring DTCs. Following these preventive measures helps promote the longevity of the vehicle's transmission system and enhances overall performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0716 requires a systematic approach to troubleshooting and repair, focusing primarily on electrical faults. Electrical issues can significantly impact the performance of the vehicle network module, which subsequently affects transmission function. Promptly addressing these faults not only aids in restoring vehicle performance, but also ensures safety on the road. The importance of thorough inspections cannot be overstated. Keeping connections clean and secure serves as a great preventive measure. Additionally, understanding related diagnostic trouble codes like P07BF and P0760 provides invaluable context for troubleshooting, allowing technicians to target their efforts effectively. By following these comprehensive steps and fostering preventive care, owners can enhance their confidence in their Honda Pilot's operational reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.